So my husband and I were in need of an upgrade for our kitchen. Just bought a new house and we didn't really like the kitchen, so we wanted it to be renovated. We saw Forte pop up on social media. We decided to give them a try after clicking through their webpage and seeing what wonderful reviews they had. They were on time, they were so clean, polite. Byram was very responsive. Even during the time he left the country for 2 weeks, during the renovation, we emailed him and he was right on it to make sure that everything was taken care of. When a problem came up, he got it taken care of really quickly. We have nothing but wonderful reviews. When our friends and family come over, they are just in awe of the kitchen. They saw the before, and now that they see it, they're just amazed. And our kids tell us it's like a television set in our kitchen because it looks so different from the rest of the house and so beautiful that they just say it looks like one of those TV kitchens.
To learn more, visit us at forteconstructiondesign.com.